Right, so in the ChatGPT desktop app, there is no Command-K, which is unfortunate, like the web app. So I thought I'd use Keyboard Maestro to click the button here to then clear out the conversation. So if I open up Keyboard Maestro, more than one way to skin this cat. I'll add a new macro group for ChatGPT. And this will be available in the ChatGPT app only. All right, and now I'll add a new macro here. Let's call this Command-K. And the trigger will be hotkey. Command-K, good deal. As far as the actions are concerned, I'm just going to find an image on screen to click that little pencil in a box up here to clear out. Actually, don't even know what that icon is. All right, so find image on screen here. Now it's light colored right now. That might be a problem, so let's put something in here. And then I'm going to just copy the little icon here. And then actually I need click that found image, paste that in. Just test it out by clicking go here. Okay, it puts me in the right place to click on it. All right, so let's come over here and Command-K. Look at that, clears it out. Oh, and I probably want to come over here, and when I'm done, restore the mouse location. Try that again. Perfect, it puts the cursor right back where it was at. By the way, when I was done recording this, I actually went to look through the menus in the app, and I found that there's actually a Command N to start a new chat. Nonetheless, I thought I'd share this because it's a great way to see how you can use Keyboard Maestro to bind a custom shortcut to a given program. An even better example of using the find and click on an image, which is a very powerful feature inside of Keyboard Maestro.